In this Device Doctor video, we will show you how to turn on Wi-Fi on your Epson WorkForce 3720 printer, connect it to your mobile, and print easily using the Epson iPrint app.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Begin by powering on the printer and give it a moment to fully initialize. Wait until the printer enters the ready mode, indicating it's prepared for use and ready for the next steps. Now that the printer is in ready mode, press the Wi-Fi icon. You will see two options. The first is Wi-Fi router, which connects the printer to the router, allowing any device connected to the router to send print commands to the printer. The second option is Wi-Fi direct, which enables you to connect the printer's Wi-Fi directly to your mobile's Wi-Fi for printing. We want to connect the printer's Wi-Fi directly to your mobile, so select the Wi-Fi Direct option. Now, press the Start Setup option and wait for the printer's Wi-Fi to turn on. This will take about 1 minute. Now that the printer's Wi-Fi is turned on, you will see the Wi-Fi name and password displayed. Additionally, there is a QR code at the bottom of the screen that you can scan to easily connect to the printer. Press the OK button to proceed. Now, to change the Wi-Fi name and password for the printer, you can press the Wi-Fi Direct option again and select Change Settings. I will change the printer's Wi-Fi password to a simple one, from 1 to 8, so it's easy to connect and I won't forget it. Now that the printer's Wi-Fi is turned on, we can connect to it using your mobile phone. Go to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, find the printer's Wi-Fi name, and then enter the password. The password, which we set as 1 to 8, will allow your phone to connect to the printer. You can print your files directly from your phone's gallery or file manager, but it's recommended to use the Epson iPrint app for a more comprehensive experience. The app not only allows you to print, but also provides additional features such as copying, scanning, faxing, and even cleaning the printer. This makes it a more convenient and efficient option. You can find the link to download the Epson iPrint app in the video description. Now, select a photo and adjust its settings as you prefer. You'll see that the Epson iPrint app provides a wide range of settings options for printing a file, which is great. Be sure to download this app. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, press the Print button, and the printer will start printing your file or photo. As you can see, our landscape file was seamlessly printed using the Wi-Fi connection between the phone and the Epson WorkForce 3720 printer. I hope this video has successfully guided you in connecting your phone to your printer's Wi-Fi. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.